Dear ICSE students, good evening. Yesterday I had uploaded a video on the heart of a tree, and I hope you have watched that video. I haven't received any call from your end, so I guess you don't have any problem with that particular poem. Today I'm going to start Merchant of Venice, Act 1, Scene 3. You already know by this time that this particular play has four important characters. These I have already told you before I started the play. One is Antonio, the rich merchant of Venice. Second, his friend Bassanio. Third is this extremely rich lady of Belmont, whose name is Portia. And fourth, you can say in the conventional sense, the villain of the piece, Shylock, who is a rich Jewish moneylender or usurer. Now, in scene 1, we found that Bassanio had talked to Antonio about his financial problems, and he had requested Antonio to lend him some money so that he could go to Belmont and woo Portia, seek the hand of Portia. In scene 2, where we were in Belmont, we saw how many people were coming from all directions to seek Portia's hand by participating in the and we also saw that in order to have Portia for a wife, you had to participate in this choice of caskets and all that. And scene 3 is in a way continuation of scene 1, because now Antonio had told Bassanio that most of his ships, he had all his money invested in his business ventures. Therefore, he did not have enough money with him to lend Bassanio, and he had asked Bassanio to go and search for somebody in Venice who would be ready to lend him the money that he required, and Antonio had promised him that he would stand surety for him. অর্থাৎ অ্যান্টোনিও বাসানিওকে বলেছিলেন যে তুমি ভেনিসে যে কোনো কারোর কাছ থেকে এই টাকাটা তুমি ধার নাও এবং তোমার হয়ে I will stand as surety, that is I will repay the money for you. Now, in scene 3, we find that Bassanio has approached Shylock, the Jewish moneylender, one of the richest moneylenders in Venice, for the money. Now, let's see what happens. Shylock says 3,000 ducats. Well, Bassanio says, I serve for 3 months. Shylock says 3 months. Well, Bassanio says, for which, as I told you, Antonio shall be bound. আমি আপনাকে বলেছি যে এই টাকাটার গ্যারান্টি দিচ্ছে, সিওরিটি দিচ্ছে, মানে আমি এই টাকাটা কার নামে নিচ্ছি? In the name of Antonio. Shylock says Antonio shall be bound. Well, fine. Bassanio says, may you stead me. May you stead me means may you, will you help me? Will you pleasure me? Will you give me pleasure? With a positive reply. Shall I know your answer? Shylock says, okay, what are the conditions? You need 3,000 ducats for a period of 3 months, and Antonio will be bound for that. Bassanio says, what is your answer to that? Shylock says, Antonio is a good man. Antonio যথেষ্ট ভালো লোক. Bassanio says, have you heard any imputation to the contrary? Bassanio asks Shylock, yes, of course he is a good man. Have you heard anything that suggests that Antonio is not a good man? Or has anybody put this blame on Antonio that he is not a good man? Shylock says, oh, no, 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 no. My meaning in saying he is a good man is to have you understand me that he is sufficient. বলছে Shylock বলছে না না, আমি সেটা বলতে চাইনি। আমি যখন বলছি যে Antonio is a good man, আমি যেটা বলতে চাইছি সেটা হলো যে Antonio is sufficient, that is Antonio is quite a rich man. He is a good man as well as he is quite a rich man. It is enough if he stands guarantee for the money. Yet, কিন্তু his means are in supposition. Supposition means doubtful. Uni rich man, no doubt he is a rich man, but his money, his financial condition is now a little bit doubtful. Why? He hath an argosy bound. Argosy means merchant ship. Onar একটা merchant ship is sailing to Tripoli. Tripoli, capital of Libya in northern Africa. Another to Indies. Indies means West Indies. I understand moreover upon the Rialto stock exchange, আমি stock exchange এ এটাও শুনেছি যে ওনার একটা তৃতীয় ship is away in Mexico and the fourth in England. He hath a fourth for England, and other ventures he hath squandered. Squandered মানে spending money unwisely. So in Shylock's opinion, Antonio has not shown enough foresight. Antonio has not been wise enough to invest his money in so many different ventures and having his ships in all these different corners of the world. He says it's very fine that he has sent all the ships to all different corners, but ships are but boats. কিন্তু জাহাজ তো শুধু কাঠের বোর্ড দিয়ে তৈরি, and sailors are but men. এবং যারা ওই জাহাজগুলো চালাচ্ছে, the sailors, নাবিক, তারা মানুষ, they can make mistakes anytime. There be land rats and water rats. Just as there are land rats, there are water rats. Water thieves and land thieves. ঠিক যেরকম জমিতে চোর ডাকাত আছে, সেরকম সমুদ্রেও চোর ডাকাত আছে. That is, there are pirates, sea robbers. And then there is the peril of waters. এছাড়া সমুদ্রে নানা রকম বিপদ তো আছেই. Winds মানে there might be storms, and rocks মানে জলের তলায় লুকোনো পাথর, যেখানে জাহাজটা ধাক্কা খেলে জাহাজ ডুবি ঘটতে পারে. সুতরাং he has a lot of wealth, but unfortunately he has invested them in his business ventures, and because his money is invested in his business ventures, so it is at this moment a little bit risky. The man is not withstanding sufficient. কিন্তু যাই হোক, অ্যান্টোনিওর নামটা যথেষ্ট. He is quite an honorable man. 3,000 ducats. I think I'll take the bond. I think I'll accept him. আমি অ্যান্টোনিওকে accept করব as a surety, as a guarantor that the loan will be paid. In case you fail to repay, he will pay. Be assured, you may, Bassanio says, আমি আপনাকে আশ্বস্ত করছি যে Antonio will certainly stand as a guarantor or surety for this loan. Shylock says, I'll be assured I may, and that I may be assured, I will bethink me, may I speak with Antonio. Shylock says, in this respect, that if I give you the money, Antonio will remain the guarantor, I have to satisfy myself about this. And in order to satisfy myself, I think I have to think the matter over. আমাকে একটু ভাবতে হবে, আচ্ছা এটা কি সম্ভব যে আমি অ্যান্টোনিওর সঙ্গে ডাইরেক্টলি কথা বলবো? Bassanio says, if it please you dine with us. বলছে নিশ্চয়ই, you can have your dinner with us tonight, and there you may speak to Antonio. Shylock says, yes, dinner to smell pork. কেন আপনার সঙ্গে ডিনার খাবো? শুয়োরের মাংসর গন্ধ শুকতে. Now see, here is a story that there is a story that Nazarites, see, Shylock says, to eat of the habitation which your prophet the Nazarite conjured the devil into. মানে আপনাদের যে prophet, that is Nazarite, Jesus of Nazarite, there is a story that he put the soul of the devil into a pig. So the pig is an unclean animal. In spite of that, you Christians, you eat pig. We Jewish people, we do not partake pig, and therefore I will buy with you, sell with you, talk with you, walk with you, and so following, but I will not eat with you, drink with you, nor pray with you. সুতরাং আমি আপনার সঙ্গে ব্যবসা করতে পারি, আপনাদের থেকে মাল কিনতে পারি, আপনাদের মাল বেচতে পারি, আমি আপনাদের সঙ্গে কথা বলতে পারি, আপনাদের সঙ্গে হাঁটতে পারি, ইত্যাদি ইত্যাদি, কিন্তু I will never eat with you. বা আমি কোনোদিনই, because I am a Jew and you are a Christian, we can never pray together. And now what is the news on the Rialto? আর আপনি বলুন, স্টক এক্সচেঞ্জে আর নতুন কি খবর আছে? আরে কেউ একটা আসছে. Who is he comes here? কে আসছে এদিকে? Who is coming? It is Antonio himself who arrives there. Bassanio says, this is Signor Antonio. And now Shylock, aside means Shylock does not speak aloud, he is thinking in his mind. How like a fawning publican he looks. What is the meaning of publican? Publican means an innkeeper. In মানে জানো তো, রাস্তার ধারে somebody having a small hotel by the roadside. So what do the innkeepers do whenever there is a customer? They speak with him very politely, with great humility. They show great humility and humbleness so that that person eats and stays in his inn. So he tells that, look at Antonio, this fellow looks like a publican, fawning publican, a publican who's trying to humor his clients, who is trying to oil his clients. I hate him for he is a Christian. I hate him because he is a Christian. But more for that, in low simplicity, he lends out money gratis and brings down the rate of usance here with us in Venice. Money gratis because without taking interest. I hate Antonio because he is a Christian, but I hate him more because what he does is he lends money here to the needy people without taking any interest. As a result of that, the rate of interest for money in Venice is coming down. It is causing financial loss to money lenders like me. If I can catch him once upon the hip, catch him once upon the hip means if I can catch him in a position of disadvantage, আমি যদি ওকে একটা বিপদের অবস্থায় ওকে আমার হাতের মুঠোয় নিতে পারি, I will feed fat the ancient grudge I bear him, তখন আমি ওর বিরুদ্ধে ওর প্রতি আমার যে রাগ আছে সেই রাগটা আমি কড়ায় গন্ডায় I will have my revenge on him, আমি ওই রাগটা কড়ায় গন্ডায় উসুল করে নেব. He hates our sacred nation. He hates the Jews. He rails on me my bargains and my well-worn thrift. ও আমাকে নানা বাজে কথা বলে. He speaks ill on me. He speaks ill about me at the stock exchange, that is at the place where the merchants gather, and he, I earn profit with my, or he speaks evil of all my financial transactions. আমার ব্যবসা নিয়ে ও খুব বাজে কুকথা বলে. He condemns me, ও আমার নিন্দা করে, আমার ব্যবসার নিন্দা করে, এবং এই যে লোককে সুদ দিয়ে আমি যে প্রফিট কামাই এই ব্যবসাটার বিরুদ্ধে ও নানা অকথা কুকথা বলে. Now Bassanio says, Shylock, do you hear? Shylock, আপনি শুনতে পাচ্ছেন আমি কি বললাম? Shylock says, yeah, I'm debating of my present store. Shylock বলছে, হ্যাঁ, মানে আমি অ্যাকচুয়ালি এখন আমি চিন্তা করছিলাম যে অ্যাট মাই প্রেজেন্ট স্টোর, অর্থাৎ এই মুহূর্তে আমার কাছে কত টাকা আছে আমি সেটা নিয়ে চিন্তা করছিলাম. And by the near guess of my memory, I cannot instantly raise up the gross of full 3000 ducats. এবং যতদূর আমার মনে পড়ছে আমার কাছে যে টাকা আছে আমি এই মুহূর্তে 3000 ডুক্যাট আমি আমার নিজের থেকে জোগাড় করতে পারবো না. What of that? কিন্তু যাই হোক, এটা কোনো বিষয় নয়, because Tubal, a wealthy Hebrew of my tribe, will furnish me. কিন্তু এটা কোনো বিষয় নয়, কারণ টিউবল যে আমার বন্ধু এবং আরেকজন জিউ, সে আমাকে টাকাটা দিতে পারবে. বাট সফট, কিন্তু আস্তে, একটু ধীরে. কত মাস, জাস্ট ওয়েট, আরেকবার বলো যে কত মাসের জন্য তোমরা টাকাটা চাও. Then he looks to Antonio and he says, rest you fear, good senior, your worship was the last man in our mouths. Then he tells Antonio, sir, you may rest fear, means you may enjoy good health and prosperity, because just as you came, you are the man about whom I and your friend were discussing. Antonio says, Shylock, albeit I neither lend nor borrow by taking nor by giving of excess, yet to supply the ripe wants of my friends, I will break a custom. Easy. Then he says to, like Antonio says, Shylock, it is my policy that I do not lend money to anybody by charging an interest, nor do I take money from anybody by paying interest. It is my policy in life, but at this moment, just to furnish my friend, আমার বন্ধুর খাতিরে, আমার বন্ধুকে টাকাটা জোগাড় করে দিতে আমি আমার এই রেওয়াজটা, আমার এই প্রিন্সিপালটা, নীতিটা আমি ভাঙবো. Then he tells Bassanio, তুমি কি একে বলেছো যে কত টাকা আমরা নিতে চাই? Shylock says, aye, 3000 ducats. Antonio says, and for 3 months. Shylock says, yeah, I had forgot, 3 months. Then he tells Bassanio, you told me so. হ্যাঁ, আপনি বলেছিলেন 3 মাস. Well then, your bond and let me see. ঠিক আছে, তাহলে ওকে 3 months. তারপর আবার অ্যান্টোনিওকে বলছেন, তাহলে you are standing as the bond, that is you are standing as the surety for this loan. আচ্ছা, আমি দেখি. But listen to me, আমার কথা শোনো. Methought you said you neither lend nor borrow upon advantage. আমার মনে হয় আপনি এক্ষুনি বললেন যে আপনি মানে ধার দিয়ে, মানে ইন্টারেস্ট নিয়ে টাকা ধারও দেন না, বা ইন্টারেস্ট নিয়ে টাকা ধার দেনও না, বা ধার কাউকে দেন না, বা নিজেও নেন না. Antonio says, I do never use it. Antonio বলছে, ঠিকই শুনেছো, it is not my custom to give money to others on interest or to borrow money from somebody on interest. Shylock says, when Yaqub grazed his uncle Laban's sheep, this Yaqub from our holy Abram was the third possessor. He was the third. Okay, before going into the next part, I will just tell you a little bit about this Yaqub. See, according to the Old Testament, the ancestor of the Jews as well as the Arabs who later became Muslims, their common ancestor was a prophet named Abraham. Abraham had two sons, one was Isaac and the other was Ismail. Isaac's grandson was Jacob. So all the followers of Isaac, all the next generations of Isaac and the followers of Isaac's next generation, they became Jews. And as you know, Christians have come from the Jews. So even the Christians are descendants of Isaac. On the other hand, the descendants of Ismail are the Arab people. So now Shylock, and there is a story that Yaqub had once served as, he had served his uncle, he had worked under his uncle Laban. And what was his work? ওর কাজ কি ছিল? উনি ল্যাবানের যে শিপ মানে ভেড়াগুলো, সেই ভেড়াগুলোর দেখাশোনা করতেন। And in those days it was the custom that always the eldest son would become his father's successor. But Yaqub was the third son of his father. His eldest brother was named Esau. But Yaqub played with the help of his mother. His mother's name was Hagar. With the help of his mother, he played a clever trick whereby, despite being the third son, he became the successor of his father and not his elder brother. So now Shylock mentions Yaqub, who had become the leader of the Israelis, that is the Jewish people, and the story goes that for a large part of his life, he had worked as a shepherd looking after the sheep of his uncle Laban. Santonio says, and what of him? Ki bapare, why do you mention Yaqub? Did he take interest? এই ইয়াকুবও কি টাকা ধার দিয়ে ইন্টারেস্ট নিত নাকি? No, not take interest, not as you would say directly. Shylock বলছে না না ইন্টারেস্ট নিতেন না, আপনারা ইন্টারেস্ট নাও বলতে যেটা বোঝান ঠিক সেটা নয়, কিন্তু শুনুন ইয়াকুব কি করেছিল। When Laban and himself were compromised that all the weanlings which were streaked and pied should fall as Jacob's ire, the ewes being rank in end of autumn turned to the rams. And when the work of generation was between these woolly breeders in the act, the skillful shepherd pilled me certain vans, and in doing of the deed of kind, he stuck them up before the fulsome ewes, who then conceiving did in evening time fall party-colored limbs, and those were Jacob's. So I'll just explain the story to you. See, after Jacob or uncle Labaner under অনেক বছর কাজ করার পর, he married and he had his own children, and one day he went to his uncle and said that I have served you well. When I came under your service, you did not have such a huge breed of sheep, but now see, because of my efforts your flock has increased, you have a large number of sheep. So now please allow me to go, and before I go I would desire that you will give me some payment for my service. So after some discussion with Laban, they came to the conclusion, and Laban agreed that at the end of this season, all the sheep that is born, all the little sheep that is born with spotted bodies. Now my dear friends, sheep are normally white. Sheep are normally absolutely white. But they came to this conclusion that, they came to this understanding that all the little sheep that were born with spotted bodies would go to Yaqub, and the white sheep would go to his uncle Laban. Both of them agreed, and Uncle Laban was very happy because he knew that sheep were very rarely spotted. So now when the time came for reproduction, and the rams and the ewes were attracted to each other and they mated each other, Then what Yakub did, he placed long poles in the ground, লম্বা লম্বা লাঠি উনি মাটিতে পুঁতে দিলেন, in front of the female sheep, that is the ewes. And it is said that because the shadow of those posts fell on the body of the ewes, a part of the body of the ewes was covered with the dark shadow, the other parts were white. When these ewes produced babies, all of them turned out to be spotted. And so very cleverly Yakub had all the little born sheep for himself. By telling this story, Shylock says this was a way to thrive and he was blessed. He says in this way Yakub became very rich and prosperous. And thrift is blessing if men steal it not. And he says that to become prosperous is not a crime, but it is a blessing until men steal, that is churi na kore. If anybody uses this cleverness to become rich, it is very fine, it's not a crime. Churi na kore manush jodi rich hoy, then there is no crime in that. Antonio says this was a venture, sir, that Yakub served for, a thing not in his power to bring to pass, but swayed and fashioned by the hand of heaven. Was this inserted to make interest good, or is your gold and silver ewes and rams? Antonio says, sir, এই যে Yakub ধনী হয়ে গেল, it is the result of the effort that Yakub made, because Yakub had put in an effort by serving his uncle, and his prosperity was the result of that, because Yakub had served for a long time. He had served his uncle for a long time as a shepherd, and he became very prosperous, not because it was in his power to make the sheep spotted. Yakubের হাতে এই শিপগুলোকে স্পটেড করা এটা ইয়াকুবের হাতে ছিল না, but it was a blessing of God. God had the power to do so, and God devised the things in such a way that the sheep became spotted. Now, why are you telling this story? Are you saying this story to prove that taking interest is good? If so, let me ask you, do you regard, are you trying to justify your taking interest by lending money to a man in need, or are your gold and silver coins ewes and rams? Ewes mane female sheep. Are your gold and silver ewes and rams? Shylock says, I cannot tell, I make it breed as fast, but note me senior. So Shylock says, আমি জানি না আমার gold and silver coins are ewes or rams, but একটা জিনিস জানি, just the way ewes and rams produce many babies and multiply in number, similarly I can also make my money multiply and increase very quickly. Antonio says, mark you this, Bassanio, the devil can cite scripture for his purpose. An evil soul producing holy witness is like a villain with a smiling cheek, a goodly apple rotten at the heart. Oh, what a goodly outside falsehood had. Antonio tells his friend Bassanio, একটা জিনিস মাথায় রাখবে, look at this, the devil himself is quoting from the holy books for his purpose. নিজের evil actটাকে, নিজের evil কাজটাকে justify করার জন্য the devil is quoting lines from holy books. It is just like, it is equal to, it is like a villain who is out to harm you, যে তোমার ক্ষতি করতে চায়, but he is having a big smile on his face. It is just, there is another example, that you have an apple which looks very good on the outside, but it is rotten inside. Very often it so happens that something which is false from outside, it has a very glittering appearance. Shylock says 3000 ducats, it's a good round sum. দেখো ভাই, 3000 ducat এটা একটা অনেক বড় অঙ্ক, আর 12 মাসের মধ্যে, বছরের 12 মাসের মধ্যে তুমি 3 মাসের জন্য এটা চাও, and let me see the rate, আমি ক্যালকুলেট করি কোন রেট অফ ইন্টারেস্টে আমি তোমাকে টাকাটা দেব. Antonio says, well Shylock, shall we be beholding to you? বলছে Shylock, shall we be, মানে Shall we be beholding to you means, can we expect help from you? Can we expect to you to do this favor for us? Can we expect that you shall do this, show us this favor? Shylock says, Senior Antonio, many a time and oft in the Rialto, you have rated me about my monies and my usances. Still have I borne it with patient shrug. Senior Antonio, স্টক এক্সচেঞ্জে সব মার্চেন্টদের সামনে প্রায়শই আপনি কি করেছেন, আপনি আমার সম্বন্ধে অনেক বাজে কথা বলেছেন, অ্যাবাউট মাই বিজনেস অফ লেন্ডিং মানি অ্যান্ড টেকিং ইন্টারেস্ট। কিন্তু আমি অনেক পেশেন্টলি আমি সেই অপমানগুলো সহ্য করেছি। ফর সাফারেন্স ইজ দ্য ব্যাজ অফ অল আওয়ার ট্রাইব। কারণ জিউসদের এটা একটা কোয়ালিটি দ্যাট দে হ্যাভ দিস গ্রেট পাওয়ার টু সাফার। You call me misbeliever just because I am a Jew. You say that I do not believe in God or I believe in a false God. You say that I am a cutthroat dog. You say that I am a dog who charges. You call me a dog saying that I charge heavy interest on the money I lend out. And spit upon my Jewish gabardine. You spit upon my Jewish gabardine means you spit upon my Jewish clothes, Jewish dress, and all for the use of that which. And why do you do that? The money that I am lending out is my money. I am not lending out anybody's money. So it is absolutely all right if I lend out my money and charge interest. What is it to you? But still see how you treat me. Well, then it now appears, আর এখন দেখতে পাচ্ছি এই লোকটা যার সঙ্গে তুমি এত খারাপ ব্যবহার করেছো, এখন তার সাহায্যই তোমার দরকার। Go to then, you come to me and you say, তো তুমি আমার কাছে আসছো এবং বলছো, Shylock, we would have money, যে Shylock আমাদের টাকা প্রয়োজন। You say so. You that did voided rheum upon my bird. Rheum মানে spit। তুমি যে ওই লোকটি যে আমার দাড়ির ওপর একদিন থুতু ফেলেছিলে, and foot me as you spurn a stranger cur, এবং এমন করে আমাকে লাথি মেরেছিলে যেন আমি রাস্তার একটা কুকুর। Over my threshold মানে আমার over my threshold means কারোর বাড়ির দরজায় রাস্তার একটা কুকুর আসলে লোকে যেরকম লাথি মেরে তাড়িয়ে দেয়, you kicked me in that way and now you have come to me to ask me for money. What should I say to you? তাহলে আমি কি বলবো? উত্তরে আমার কি বলা উচিত? Should I not say hath a dog money? আমার কি এটা বলা উচিত নয় যে কুকুরের কাছে কি টাকা থাকে? এটা কি সম্ভব যে একটা কুকুর, একটা রাস্তার স্ট্রিট ডগ তোমাকে 3000 ডুকাট ধার দেবে? Or shall I bend low and in a bondman's key with bated breath and whispering humbleness say this? আর নাকি তুমি আশা করছো যে আমি তোমার চাকরের মতো তোমার সামনে মাথা নত করে খুব হাম্বলনেস, খুব বিনয়ের সঙ্গে আমি তোমাকে বলবো, fair sir, you spit on me on Wednesday last, you spurred me such a day, another time you called me dog, and for these courtesies I will lend you thus much money. নাকি আমি তোমাকে বলবো যে স্যার, গত বুধবার তুমি আমার মুখের ওপর থুতু ফেলেছিলে, আর একবার তুমি আমাকে কুকুর বলেছিলে, and another time you kicked me, and because of all these things sir, দয়া করে আমাকে বলুন আমি কত টাকা আপনাকে ধার দেব? What behavior are you expecting from me? Antonio says, I am as like to call thee so again, to spit on thee again, to spurn thee too, as to thy friends, for when did friendship take a and as to thy friends, for when did friendship take a breed of barren metal of his friends, but lend it rather to thine enemy, who if he break, thou mayst with better face exact the penalty. Antonio says, Shylock, it is very probable যে আমি আবার হয়তো তোমাকে কুকুর বলে ডাকবো, kick you again and I will spit on you. কিন্তু যদি তুমি আমাকে টাকাটা দিতে রাজি থাকো, তুমি দয়া করে আমাকে এটা ভেবে টাকা দিও না যে আমি তোমার বন্ধু। বন্ধু হিসেবে আমাকে টাকা দিও না, কারণ বন্ধু কখনো আরেকটা বন্ধুর থেকে টাকা ধার দিলে, তার বিপদে তার প্রয়োজনে টাকা ধার দিলে, a friend doesn't charge any interest from another friend. Lend me the money as your enemy so that আমাকে শত্রু ভেবেই টাকা ধার দাও, যাতে সময় মতো যদি আমি টাকাটা ফেরত দিতে না পারি, তুমি পাই পয়সা এই বন্ড অনুসারে যেটা আমার সাজা হবে, যে পেনাল্টিটা আমাকে দিতে হবে, যাতে তুমি কোনো রকম হেজিটেশন না করে পাই পয়সা তুমি আমার থেকে আদায় করতে পারো। Shylock says, why look how you storm. Shylock says, দেখো কিভাবে, how you are losing temper. I would be friends with you and have your love. আমি তো চাই তোমার বন্ধু হতে এবং তোমার ভালোবাসা পেতে। Forget the shames that you have stained me with. আমি ওই সব অপমানগুলো ভুলে যেতে চাই যেগুলো তুমি আমাকে করেছো। Supply your present wants. তোমার এখন যেটা প্রয়োজন আমি সেটা দিতে তোমাকে প্রস্তুত। And take no doit of usance for my monies, and you will not hear me. This is kind I offer. বলছে দেখো আমি তো চাই যে কোন রকম ইন্টারেস্ট না নিয়ে আমি টাকাটা তোমাকে ধার দিতে চাই। শুনতে পাচ্ছ তো আমি কি বলছি? I am making a very friendly offer to you. I am offering you the loan as a friend. Bassanio says, বাহ, this is very kind. এটা তো খুব দয়া দেখাচ্ছ তুমি Shylock. Shylock says, this kindness will I show. নিশ্চয়ই আমি এই দয়াটা দেখাবো, এই কাইন্ডনেসটা দেখাবো। Go with me to a notary, seal me there your single bond, and in a merry sport, if you repay me not on such a day, in such a place, such sum or sums as are expressed in the condition, let the forfeit be nominated for an equal pound of your fair flesh, to be cut off and taken in that part of your body pleaseth me. বলছে Shylock বলছে যে দেখো চলো তাহলে let us go to a notary and let us draw up the legal bond, this legal paper, যে let us just write it down for fun. I don't want to charge any money from you, but just for the sake of fun, let us have it written in the bond. আমরা এই বন্ডটায় এটা লিখি যে এই যে টাকাটা তুমি আমাকে আমার থেকে ধার নিচ্ছ, এই টাকাটা এত টাকা এত দিনের মধ্যে এই সময়ের মধ্যে তুমি যদি আমাকে শোধ করতে না পারো তাহলে আমি 1 পাউন্ড মাংস I will cut off from any part of your body that I wish. Antonio says, content in faith I will seal to such a bond and say there is much kindness in the Jew. Antonio says, চিন্তা করো না, আমি এই বন্ডে সাইন করব এবং সবাইকে বলবো that the Jew is very kind. Of course, cutting a pound's flesh from a man cannot be an act of kindness. It is an ironical statement that Antonio makes. Bassanio says, you shall not seal to such a bond for me. বলছে বন্ধু আমার জন্য এই ধরনের ভয়ঙ্কর বন্ডে তুমি কখনোই সই করবে না। I'll rather dwell in my necessity. এর থেকে ভালো আমি আমার অভাব নিয়েই থাকবো। Antonio says, why fear not man, I will not forfeit it. Within these 2 months, that's a month before this bond expires, I do expect return of thrice 3 times the value of this bond. Antonio বলছে বন্ধু ভয় পেও না, এই বন্ডটা আমি ফরফিট করব না, মানে আমি টাকাটা দিতে পারবো, কারণ 2 মাসের মধ্যে আমি টাকাটা নিচ্ছি for 3 months, but I'm very sure that within the coming 2 months আমি এমন একটা আর্থিক অবস্থায় থাকব যেখানে আমি এই বন্ডটা একবার কেন আমি 3 times মানে 9 বার আমি এই টাকাটা শোধ করতে পারবো। Shylock says, oh Christians are the thoughts of others, pray you tell me this, if he should break this day which should I gain by the exactation of the forfeiture. বলছে ও ফাদার আব্রাহাম দেখো এই খ্রিস্টানদের অবস্থা, just look at them, look at their condition. যদি আমি ও বন্ডটাকে ও দিতে না পারে, and if the bond is forfeit, আমি ওর থেকে 1 pound of flesh নিয়ে আমার লাভ কি হবে? A pound of man's flesh taken from a man, একটা মানুষের থেকে a pound of flesh নিয়ে এটার কি, is it profitable? মানে in fact a man's flesh is not even as profitable as the meat of as mutton, beef or goat. So I just say this in sport, I just extend my friendship, but the nature of these Christians are such that even my love is being misunderstood by them. Antonio says, yes Shylock, I will seal unto this bond. Shylock, don't worry, I will accept this bond. Shylock says, then meet me, তাহলে চলো ওই নোটারির বাড়িতে আমার সঙ্গে দেখা করো, give me direction for this merry bond, এবং ওনাকে বলো যে কিভাবে বন্ডটা লিখতে হবে, and I will go and purse the ducats, আমি আমার বাড়ি যাব, সেখান থেকে আমি এই টাকাটা নেব, and see to my house left in the fearful guard of an unthrifty knave, আমি যে কাজের লোকটার কাছে আমার বাড়ি আমি ছেড়ে এসেছি সেই লোকটা অত্যন্ত what he is a knave, an unthrifty, that is this man is this man is not dependable, unreliable, So I'll just go and check on my house also whether it is in order, and I'll collect the money and I'll meet you. Antonio says, hi, the gentle Jew. The Hebrew will turn Christian if he grows kind. Antonio says, bye. Now this Jew is really growing kind. Maybe tomorrow he will become a Christian. Bassanio says, I like not the fair terms and a villain's mind. Bassanio says, যতই ও যা বলুক, এই যে fair terms, এই যে good terms, kind terms that he is offering, I do not believe him. আর একটা villain, বদমাশকে তো কখনোই বিশ্বাস করা যায় না. Antonio says, come on, in this there can be no dismay. চিন্তা করো না, হতাশ হওয়ার কোনো কারণ নেই, কারণ আমার জাহাজগুলো 3 মাসের অনেক আগেই তারা বাড়ি ফিরে আসবে. So this is act 3. Once again, go through the scene and please, this is scene 3, sorry. Go through the scene. You have any problem, please let me know.